Y'all ready to see this box? Let's do some unboxing. All right, y'all ready? Here goes nothing. Look at that. All right, what we have here is a 68 Epic. It's combat green. I want to show you guys the new bedliner top. You've got two USBs. You have two C chargers. What do you call that? C adapters? I don't know. That's it right there. I don't know what you call those things. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outlets that are staggered and positioned in different directions. Isn't that cool? So this does, as you can see, comes with a power top. They have a new button here. It's kind of flush. But isn't that nice? This is our combat green 68 Epic. This is camo, so when you see this next, it's going to have the camo magnetic front panels. So ask me for a quote. Beautiful tool storage. It'll be on the truck very soon. And as you notice, we have a brand new creeper seat, snap-on creeper seat. Look at them big casters on there. So I will have this on the truck tomorrow. So anyway, pretty cool. Who needs some new tool storage? There it is, 68 Epic with power top, power drawer, speed drawer, and camo magnetic panels. Not bad. See you on the route.